guys, say hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So this video is going to be a very divine video because I'm going to be showing you my Golu 2020. So I'm just going to take you what all my favorite idols and I'm just going to take you through. Yeah, let's get into the video. So guys, this is our home Golu. So I wanted to show you what are the pieces that we have. So I'm going to first take a look at the whole Golu. Krishna. So this Krishna we got from Guruvayur. White Krishna. So beautiful, right? So much of work they have done here and he looks very, very pretty. And now next is this Talayati, Tanjavur Talayati Bommai that my mom and dad got me for the last Golu. So it's so pretty guys. These days you don't get it. It's very, very difficult to get this Tanjavur Talayati Bommai. Only in Tamil Nadu you get, and especially in Tanjavur and in and around Tanjavur, and when you get it in other places like Coimbatore, Chennai and all, it's very, very expensive also. So this again is very, very beautiful piece that I love. And we do have an elephant that has Kodai and a Swami, and this is goddess Saraswati. And my most favorite Pillayar. He's very, very colorful. He's very happy. We have kept a kodai for him, and we have also put on a pearl necklace. So he looks absolutely stunning, guys. And we have Pandurangan and Ranganayagi. Again, this couple is very, very cute couple. They are very, very cute couple. And the next one is we have Lord Murugan. We are devotees of Lord Murugan and we absolutely love having lot of Murugars. And the centerpiece, my most favorite piece is goddess Annapurni. As we all know, she is the one who gives and she makes food. She's the god of food, and yeah, she's stunning, guys. I absolutely love her. And we have kept in front of her, we have kept a cup with dal and rice. So that is how we do it. And the next one is goddess Durga, again my most favorite. The next one is Lakshmi, this is Saraswati, and behind that is Radha Krishna. And in this step we have Visalakshi, Kamakshi, Meenakshi. Again, all their faces are very, very beautiful. We purchased it seeing every single face and every, we were very, very careful in choosing the face that looks really, really, how do you say, Lakshanama Rikara face we saw and we got it. And these are the Ashtalakshmis, the 8 Lakshmis. And in the next step, we have Dasavataram. These are the Dasavataram. Can you please explain everything?
Malsyam Kurmam Varaham Narasimham Vamanan Parashuraman and Sri Raman, Balaraman, Sri Krishnan and Kalki.
Yeah.
So these are the 10 avatars.
These are the 10. This is Dasavataram. And in the next padi we have Lakshman. We have Raman. Yeah, Raman Pattabhishekam. And this is, as we all know, he's my most favorite. Perumal, Rangarajar, Anandaseshan, however you want to call it. And this is Marapachi Bommai, guys. This we got it from Chennai. We got it just like, just this Bommai alone, we got it. It wasn't dressed up, it wasn't decked up. We did all these things. We got all the stuffs like their dress, their necklace, their bracelets, her bindi, earrings, and his cap, cute little cap, his earrings as well. Everything we purchased and we did it. They look absolutely stunning. Such a cute couple. And this again is a Kailasam set. So as usual, Shiva, Parvati, Pillayar, Avvayar, Murugar and Naradar. They are all in Kailasam set. And this is Kamadhenu. And again, my most favorite Chettiar and Chettiar's wife. In front of them again, we have put a cup and put some dal and rice. And this is kalasam, guys. Kalasam actually it's not functional, just for namesake I've kept because it is beautiful.
Decoration.
Because just for decoration we have kept. It's not functional because in my mother-in-law's family and tradition they don't keep kalasam. And these are the small choppu chavalam that my mom and dad gave me. These are all made of
Bronze.
bronze. I don't know. We call it vengalam. So these are cute little things, guys. Like murukapudi set, how you make chikkis, no? All these things. And can you see? Show me. Can you see all these cute little pots? This is the cutting board that they have, and dosa plate, and they have this urli. All this very cute. And the most important, the significant thing in my Golu is this these dolls, guys, because this is at least 150 years old. 150 years old because my mom's mom gifted her this, and they've been sending it to their generations. So I got this through my mom, and I'm very happy and proud to keep it in my Golu. So happy. And this is Krishna. And the next one is again Radha Krishna. And now again my most favorite Perumal, Venkatachalapati and Tayar. Again such a stunning piece, guys. We both got them as a couple. They are stunning. And inside that we again have Shirdi Baba here and Venna Krishna. How cute! Can you show him nearby? It's very cute. We have placed a nice what do you call mettai?
Bed.
We have made a bed and we have kept him. So cute, this Krishna. I just feel like he's looking at me. That cute, guys. He is very cute. And this piece again is very stunning. I love them both, and they look very divine. And we have this velakku. It's not functional, again, just for decoration. We have kept it as a decorative piece. And this again is a
Mrida Sanjeevani set.
set. You can see Hanuman bringing a Sanjeevi hill. Yeah, stunning.
Lakshman on the lap of Sri Ram. Sugrivar, Vibhishanan and all people are here.
Yeah. This step again has, we kept it for as a Kalyanam set, as a marriage set. Bride and groom, they're sitting on the mandap. The guy who does marriage is sitting, homam is happening, and people are there.
Orchestra.
And orchestra is going on, and these both again my mom and dad got it. How cute are they? Can you just see how cute are they? Yes, this bale. It feels like they're dancing to bale. And these are the cute little elephants and Rajasthani decorative pieces, wooden decorative pieces that we got. So beautiful. And this is again my most favorite god, Kubera Lakshmi. I do puja every Thursday, Friday, so I really like it. And this again, I wanted to talk a little about this because this is the theme that we created. This is Lord Murugan Palani Malai theme, guys. We made this Palani Malai from scratch, guys. First, what we did was we rolled the newspaper, and with the help of the Fevicol, we just stick everything together. We crumbled it and we put everything together with the help of a Fevicol. And it wasn't standing. We were not very happy with the result. So what we did was we just took POP. As my husband is a doctor, he had this idea. We got POP. And then we put it in water and just made it a roll out of it. And that instantly became like a mountain, like a Palani Malai. And what we did was we let it dry. Then after some time, we just painted green color. My son helped me with a lot of things. He painted the whole Palani Malai. And we made these cute little steps. So pretty, so pretty. And we also made this cute little rope car. Can you see? We made rope. We couldn't make winch, guys, so we made rope car, and we made this gobram as well with Om and Veil on it. So we absolutely love it. To make it look more natural, we got a mat that has small artificial plants. So we just took it, and with the help of the pin, we just stuck it here and there so that it has a very natural look. And we also put few pebbles that we got from Amazon. Yeah, these pebbles, white pebbles, are from Amazon. We just put it here and there so that it looks natural. And we placed our most favorite Murugar. So we are devotees of Lord Murugar, and we I don't know what I would do without my Murugar. So yeah, this is the Palani Magai set that we made. My son has done maximum number of things with this set. So yeah, I love this.
Fruits.
And these are the fruits, plastic fruits that I just kept it for display, guys. So yeah, this is my Golu. So I hope you all like it. I hope you all like my Golu, cute little Golu, and we have done nice decoration. And I really wanted to take this and show it to you all, guys. I'm really happy that I could show it to you all. How did you like it, Karthik?
I like so much.
You like it so much? Which is your most favorite Umachi? Your most favorite Umachis? Who's your most favorite? You like Rangarajar? Oh, my son's favorite is Perumal. Okay, you like Rangarajar. Okay, then what else you like the most? After Rangarajar, who else you like the most? Annapurni. Then?
Murugar.
Murugar. Oh! Yeah, since his name is also Karthik, Sai Karthik, he likes Murugar. So yeah, guys, I hope you all liked the video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll feel so happy, and put your valuable comments in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to read it all, and I'll catch you all guys in my next interesting video. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.